In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the other calendars options in Google Calendar. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to Google Calendar. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the main calendar screen. This is the area where you can view your schedule, upcoming events, and the different calendar sections available in the left-hand sidebar. If your browser window is too narrow, some parts of the layout may appear compressed, so it can help to maximize the window for a clearer view. Next, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. This sidebar contains several useful sections related to your calendar setup. You may see items like your monthly mini calendar, your calendars, and additional calendar options. What you're looking for here is the section labeled Other Calendars. Depending on your screen size or how far down the sidebar is positioned, you may need to scroll a little to find it. Go ahead and scroll down the left sidebar until the Other Calendars section becomes visible. Move slowly so you don't scroll past it. This area is where Google Calendar lets you manage calendars beyond your main personal ones, such as calendars you may want to add, browse, or connect in other ways. Finding the correct section is important because the next action happens right beside this label. Once you've located Other Calendars, look immediately to the right of that text. You'll see a small plus icon. This icon opens the menu for adding or exploring additional calendar options. Click the plus icon carefully to continue. If nothing seems to happen right away, don't worry. Sometimes it can take a moment for menus to appear, especially if your internet connection is slow or the browser is still loading background elements. Just make sure you clicked the plus icon next to Other Calendars, not a different icon elsewhere on the page. And that's it for this step. You've successfully reached the Add Calendar options by opening Google Calendar in Chrome, scrolling to the Other Calendar section in the left sidebar, and clicking the plus icon beside it. If you're following along as part of a larger setup, you're now in the right place to continue with the next part of the process.